Is the exterior of your home, business, or property starting to look old, worn down, and dirty because of algae, mold, and mildew stains? Unique Power Wash is Greater Houston's premier SoftWash Systems authorized company for safe roof and exterior cleaning. We are backed by a 5-year warranty, members of the United Association of Mobile Contract Cleaners, good stewards of environmentally friendly cleaning, and certified by the seal for our customer safety compliance. We use water-based, biodegradable, earth-friendly chemicals to erase years of dirt and grime from your property. The effects are instantaneous and long-lasting because we're actually sanitizing the surface that we're cleaning. We proudly serve our community of Greater Houston both inside the loop and beyond as a one-stop shop for all of your roof and exterior cleaning needs. We clean it all. Call Unique Power Wash today so we can remove those awful stains and make your property look like new again. Visit us online at uniquepowerwash.com to set up your free consultation and quote. Unique Power Wash. We clean it all.